infinity. What is infinity? I mean, I ask this question to people, and they'll say things like, it's like the amount of water in the ocean. Well, I think we know enough about infinity to know that's not enough, that there's even more than that. So here's the crazy thing about infinity. How many points are in that circle? There's infinite points in that circle. See, I ask people what they think infinity is, and they associate it with something that's huge, not something that can fit in the palm of your hand. I mean, there's infinite points in that circle. So there's actually more things in that circle than there is water in the ocean? That blows my mind. That's crazy to me. Or what about this? How many numbers are between 0 and 1? Well, there's infinite numbers between 0 and 1, right? You could put 0.2, 0.02, 0.002, 0.4. There's infinite numbers between 0 and 1. So we'll say there's infinite numbers. Well, what about between 0 and 2? Well, I can think of at least one number that's between 0 and 2 that is not between 0 and 1, maybe 1.5. So what am I saying here? Am I saying that infinity is less than infinity? That's crazy. That's nuts. Like, what's going on? What are you all about, infinity? Because you're starting to do some crazy things. Or what about this? I know that 0.999, that's actually really close to 1. It's really close to 1. But what if I put an infinite number of 9s there? What if I said 0.9 infinitely many times? Well, that's no longer close to 1. That actually equals 1. Like, why didn't anyone ever tell me that? Why didn't anyone ever say 0.9 infinite times is another way of saying 1? Here's plain and simple infinity. It blows your mind. It's just crazy out there. So there's some natural questions that arise. Like, who thought of this thing? Where did it come from? And more specifically, where is it taking us?